आप देख रहे हैं नेट्रिक न्यूज, साहस सच कहने का।
परिणीति चोपड़ा और अर्जुन कपूर एमईटी में अपनी आने वाली फिल्म नमस्ते इंग्लैंड के प्रमोशन के लिए पहुंचे, जिसके लिए स्टूडेंट्स भी काफ़ी एक्साइटेड है। एमईटी यूनिवर्सिटी के स्टूडेंट्स मेरे साथ मौजूद हैं। कितने एक्साइटेड हैं नमस्ते इंग्लैंड के लिए? ओके, कितने एक्साइटेड हैं अर्जुन और परिणीति के लिए? आपको पता है कि अर्जुन और परिणीति की फिल्म कब आ रही है, बता दो।
18 अक्टूबर।
तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे ऑडियंस को?
कि आप जाके वो जरूर देखें।
It will be a fabulous movie. I love Arjun.
I love Arjun.
Arjun is.
I love Arjun and Parineeti too.
तो हमारे साथ यहाँ पर प्रोफेसर भी मौजूद है। सबसे पहले आई वांट टू आस्क यू, वुड यू लाइक टू गो एंड वॉच दिस मूवी?
Absolutely. After seeing the performance and seeing the stars live, absolutely. Yes.
So are you super excited?
I'm very excited. Absolutely. Yeah, I just have to find out if they show it in Canada, but otherwise I'll try to get it on Apple TV for sure. Yeah, I'll definitely watch it. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hi.
Okay, so
Hi guys, how are you? Sorry to keep you waiting.
Good, we're happy.
Hi guys, thank you for waiting. I'm sorry if you were waiting for too long, but we'll make sure this is worth it and we'll get going because I think there are people outside also. So we can meet you guys also as well as outside. So let's do it. Jaldi se.
so let's just begin with the question answer. Can we have the first person asking the question, please?
I just feel that all of us are in a new age. We're in the digital age. Everything. I mean, we were just discussing in the car that autographs have become selfies. We're upgrading everything to digital now. So why not film watching? I mean, even people like us with schedules which are all over the place, we also like to go home and watch films at our own convenience, at our own time, at our own speed. So why not? Is it going to affect cinegoers? I don't know. I think there are still people out there who love to watch films in a theatre, buy that popcorn, buy the food that you guys do and sit there and watch a 2-hour long film, you know. So I don't think so.
The demographic of India is massively unique when you make cinema. So there is enough for everybody to consume and enjoy. What happens is when you watch it in an isolation, your mind watches things differently because you are a sensible, sorted mind that sometimes might not connect and every material might not resonate. But when you sit with the audience, and that audience is fundamental for us to know what works, they end up not treating it with so much of this, but more about this. And sometimes material is not always about how intelligent it is. It's also about where it comes from. I know No Entry is eventually a slapstick comedy, but it purely comes on merit of performance of all those actors. If you see how good Anil Chachu is in the film, you realize the power of that performance when you watch it with the audience and they react to all the small nuances. I might look at it as something saying that I've seen Anil Kapoor do better work, but my way of judging is very different from the way the common man who's paying money judges. Also, we tend to take serious work more seriously. That's just conditioning. Comedy is difficult, and I think India has always appreciated certain kind of humor. So I think it would still work today. It still does. That's not an issue. It's just about, it's sometimes about the room that you're sitting in. I might sit here and have a very, very candid conversation in English about the art and the craft and what kind of lensing you should have and what kind of framing and what it means to have layers in a character. And I might go out and dance on stage to proper patola. And that's within 50 steps. And they'll enjoy it also and you'll enjoy it also. So this is pretty much what India is. It's a dichotomy of taste, but there's a strange overlap as well. Thank you and all the best for that.
Thank you.
So I say namaste, you say England. Namaste. 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 England. Very good.
एक और है नमस्ते दिल्ली, एक और बात करो नमस्ते दिल्ली, नमस्ते दिल्ली,
Namaste.
That's That's why I love Delhi.
क्या मैं करूं उसका अपने ड्रामों पे है बस नहीं जिसका कोई तो बताओ मुझे क्या मैं करूं उसका अपने ड्रामों पे है बस नहीं जिसका
We'll meet next time with another story with camera person Prashant, Panisha Puri, Network News.
हमारे साथ जुड़े रहने के लिए हमारे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, साथ ही बेल आइकन को दबाएं। नेटवर्क न्यूज की खबरें सबसे पहले देखने के लिए